Have you ever wondered how a perfume spray works? How the liquid perfume is magically dispersed from the container into a fine mist? The perfume spray uses the Bernoulli's principle to function as an atomizer.
Bernoulli's principle?
The Bernoulli's principle, simply put, explains that the total pressure of a fluid is the sum of its static pressure, dynamic pressure, and elevation pressure.
That doesn't make sense.
Do you believe that energy can neither be created nor destroyed? That is the law which dictates the conservation of energy.
Oh,
So it implies that the total amount of energy within a steady flow is always constant, fixed, cannot be changed. Let's do two comparisons to help the explanation of the Bernoulli's principle. Consider this flow of fluid through a tube. If you have a similar setup, where the fluid is moving faster, there would be lower static pressure, because all the energy is in the form of kinetic energy. And if you have a similar setup where the fluid is moving slower, there will be higher static pressure because there is lesser energy being used in the form of kinetic energy.
I get it now.
So let's try to explain the function of the perfume spray with the Bernoulli's equation. The overall function of the spray requires the user to press this balloon for the mist to come out of the nozzle. We will analyze the function step by step. When the user first presses the balloon, air is pushed out of the balloon and subsequently forced out of the nozzle. During this process, the liquid perfume is drawn out of the container because the low pressure created by the moving air. The liquid within the tube is expelled from the nozzle and develops into a fine spray by the Venturi's effect, which will be explained in subsequent lessons. The Bernoulli's principle at work. So you now see a principle at work in your daily lives. The Bernoulli's principle is also applied in the function of the Bunsen burner, the aerofoil, and in jet engines. Can you think of any other applications?